In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your card form to Mailchimp. By the end, you'll have a working form on your card site that sends sign-up straight to your Mailchimp audience. We'll do this in two parts. First, grabbing the details Mailchimp needs, and second, wiring up the form inside Card so everything talks to each other smoothly. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. We need two things, your API key and your audience ID. In Mailchimp, go to your account menu and open Account and Billing, then find the section for API keys. If you don't see one listed, create a new key, copy it and keep it somewhere safe. You'll paste it into Card in a moment. For the audience ID, head to the audience area, choose the audience you want to use, then open its settings. Look for audience name and defaults or a similar settings page, and you'll see the audience ID displayed there. Copy it as well. A quick tip, label your API key in Mailchimp so you remember it's used for Card, and never share it publicly. If you rotate keys later, you'll need to update Card too. Now switch to Card, open your site or start a new one, then add a form element to the page. In the form settings, set the type to sign up and select Mailchimp as the provider or action. You'll see fields for your Mailchimp API key and audience ID. Paste both in carefully. Card will use these to connect to your Mailchimp account and the exact audience you chose. Map your form fields to the Mailchimp fields. Typically, you'll have an email field, and you might add first and last name if you use those in your audience. Keep field names simple and clear, and make the email field required. If your audience uses groups or tags, add them here if Card exposes those options. Otherwise, you can handle tagging later in Mailchimp automations. Set your success message to confirm the sign-up worked, and customize the error message to guide visitors if something goes wrong. If your audience uses double opt-in, remember that subscribers will receive a confirmation email before they appear as subscribed. To reduce spam, enable reCAPTCHA or a honeypot in the form's protection settings. Style the button and inputs so they match your site, and check mobile spacing so the form is easy to use on phones. Preview the site and submit a quick test using a valid email. If the test lands in your Mailchimp audience, publish the site and you're done. You've successfully connected your card form to Mailchimp.